Your check engine light just came on again. But what if you could diagnose your entire car like a pro, right from your garage? Meet the LAUNCH CRP919X Elite. Not just another OBD2 scanner, but a powerhouse packed with bidirectional control, ECU coding, and over 35 plus reset functions. This isn't a tool, it's your car's new best friend. Let's break down why the CRP919X Elite might be the smartest upgrade for any car owner or mechanic in 2025. Launch Scanner CRP919X offers online coding that simplifies coding tasks. Fully compatible with 150-plus brands like VW, Audi, Skoda, Seat, and Benz, Launch CRP919X Auto Scanner offers bidirectional control, making it the most cost-effective option on the market. With over 4,000 active tests, it delves deep into troubleshooting, allowing you to send execution commands to the ECU module and check repair statuses for components like ABS, windows, doors, valves, wipers, and headlights. Car coverage in the industry. Access to the latest FCA and Renault vehicles without needing an extra adapter. Can FD for GM, 2019 plus, do IP for Volvo, 2018 plus, Jaguar and Land Rover, 2017 plus, and BMW FNG chassis models. Launch CRP919X decodes over 8,000 DDCs from systems like ABS, airbag, transmission, TPMS, battery, etc. Provides live data in text, graph, and analog formats. With the latest auto-scan technology, it achieves scanning speeds in seconds, up to 3x faster than competitors. Launch CRP919X Diagnostic Tool is the most competitive automotive scan tool to date, featuring Android 10.0 and a CPU that's 5x fast, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. 6,100 mAh battery for 12 hours of continuous operation, 7-inch touchscreen for a tablet-like user interface. With BST360 battery analyzer, it tests all 12V batteries, conducts professional cranking and charging system tests, as well as in-vehicle and out-of-vehicle battery tests with over 98% accuracy. With ITPMS, check tire pressure, temperature, battery life, read sensor IDs, read and clear DDCs, reset TPMS. TPMS diagnosis, activate, program, relearn sensors after rep 1, acing the sensors, etc. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, advanced coding and resets, intuitive interface, great build quality. And cons: price may be high for DIYers. Some features require learning curve. Updates after 2 years are paid. So, is the Launch CRP919X Elite worth it? If you're a serious DIYer, a professional mechanic, or just someone who wants complete control over vehicle diagnostics, this tool is a game changer. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive tech reviews, and drop your questions below.